While logging into Snapchat on your iPhone, if you're getting SS06 device banned or due to repeated attempts, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, let's go ahead and see how to fix it. So first, it's recommended to wait for 24 to even 48 hours without trying to log in repeatedly. And apart from that, if you're using a VPN, whether built-in or third-party, just turn it off. If you're trying to log in using an unknown or public Wi-Fi network, just make sure to switch to your home Wi-Fi and use your usual device. Now, if 48 hours have passed and you still can't log in, just go to your iPhone settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage, scroll down and open Snapchat, and just go ahead offload app, and then just reinstall it once again. If there is any app update, reinstalling the app will update the app as well. Now, you can also fully uninstall the app and then just go ahead and reinstall it from App Store once again to see if you're able to log in now. Now, most of the times, the login issue gets resolved after this process. Now, what we did, we also dug a little deeper by opening a browser and searching for Snapchat support. Then we selected Can't Access My Account. From there, do I see an error message when I log in? And then we chose the second option that matches the problem we're facing. Now, according to Snapchat support, you can also try logging in on another device's Snapchat app to check what type of community guidelines issue might be causing this problem. Hopefully it's nothing serious and you'll be able to log into a Snapchat account using another device. Thanks for your time.